Hey, what's up, OMG Nation? My name's Ryan and welcome to my channel. Today I'm back up at Moonshine Harley Davidson, back by popular demand, Cara with motor clothes. That was hard to do for me. All right, Cara, what do you have today? We're on the safety topic again. So what do you have for the subscribers today?
So I have one of our newest products that Harley is offering. It's actually an updated version of one that we used to carry in our line, and everybody wanted it back, so they added a couple more key features. This is our 3-in-1 leather jacket, and the great feature of this is obviously it's a 3-in-1. So it is one that you can wear in 3 different seasons. So you have your doubled up layer, your first layer, your leather, and then your jacket underneath, or you can just wear the jacket by itself, the leather, or the inside lining by itself. There are some great key features to this. First and foremost, the lining is windproof, which everybody does love. When you're on the bike, that's a key feature that you do want when you are just wearing that solo. Then the outside shell of the leather jacket has the reflectant Willie G skull. I'm not sure if you can see it in the light here.
Spin this way. Let's see if it'll reflect.
Let's see.
Let's see if we can get, oh, there it goes, a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's showing up on the camera.
So you have your 3M reflectant on the Willie G. You have your ventilation. And this is one thing I love about our jackets is they know exactly where to place the ventilation zips to really get the maximum airflow. Then you have, of course, your side zips if you need a little more room when you're sitting down on your bike. You have your 2 front pockets here, and then your chest pockets. Your airflow ventilation on your arm. You also have pockets inside for body armor. We do carry the body armor for elbow, shoulders, and back. And I think Ryan's got me some here. So like I said, we do carry this and we keep this fully in stock to ensure you can walk out the door fully geared up. Another great feature to this is the adjustability in it. Like I was saying, when you're sitting on your bike and you can unzip this, it just makes it a little more comfortable. It also has the 3-degree angles with the arms, so when you're reaching out to your handlebars, no matter the height, it's comfortable and it doesn't pull on your chest or your back. So this is, like I said, new to the family. It's just a upgraded of the OG original, but we have sold tons of these. We are able to special order these if we are out of stock or anything happens, or if you just want to come in and try to find the special leather jacket that suits all your needs, we are able to do special orders. So this is the lining, and it has the inside pocket here, and also you have your inside pocket here.
I love, look, so they even have the logo right there.
Yeah, the Willie G. And you have the adjustable for your hood to tighten your hood up. So if you're just wearing this casually or anything like that, it adjusts as well.
All right, perfect. Again, we just wanted to bring you something that'll help keep you a little bit more safe on the road. The link for motor clothes will be down in the description for Moonshine Harley Davidson. I keep just tripping over my tongue this morning. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hey everyone, it's Ryan. I forgot my name. All right, I'm ready this time. Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. Welcome to my channel. I'm back up here at Moonshine Harley Davidson, and by popular demand, I have Cara with motor clothes. Whoa, let's try that again. Okay. Let's hold it in this hand so I don't switch. Hey everyone. Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.